Partial right triangle examples. Overall, we have two different type of triangles. One is a half of a square. So imagine if you have a square and you divide it by 2. Okay, square, every side is A, and this angle is 45. All these angles are 45. So what does that make this? Makes this half of a 90 degree angle. I'm sorry, 90 degrees every side. So the triangle would be 45 degrees on both sides. Now, if you have A here, then we have A here because they're both the same. So what does this come up to be? Let's call it C. Well, C square is equal to A square plus B square, which in this case is A again. So C square is 2A square. So taking the square root of both sides, we have square root of this, square root of this. We have C equal square root of 2 times A. So C equals A square root 2. So if you ever get a right triangle with the 45 degree, we have A here, we get A square root 2. Okay, root square 2. So remember that. So this is one special triangle. Now the other one is a little harder. Let's erase all of this. Just remember this one. I'm gonna delete all of this. All right, let's go here. Okay, if you have a triangle that all legs are the same size, it makes every angle 60 degrees. So 60 plus 60 plus 60 should add up to 180. So imagine you draw a line vertically to divide it into 2. So what does that mean? So that means this angle will be half as much. If you redraw it, so 60 becomes 30, 30 here, 60 and 90. What about the lengths? So this was A, and this becomes half A. So if this was A, this becomes 2A. All right, let's go back and see. So if you have A here, go back here, then this becomes 2A. And what does this become? Let's call it C again. So 2A squared equals A squared plus C squared. Okay, so we got 4A squared equals A squared plus C squared. Take this A to the other side, or we can say minus A to the both sides. Minus A squared plus 4A squared equals minus A squared plus A squared plus C2. These two will cancel out, and this becomes 3A squared equal C squared. So square root of 3 times square root of a squared equals c squared. Square root of c squared. Okay, we repeat this times this becomes a equals c. So c is equal a times root 3. That's a to a root 3. All right. So let's do some examples here. All right. So if you have a triangle, 45 degrees here, and this leg, let's call it, let's see, a 2. What's the other legs? So it's pretty easy. So this leg, without doing any equations or anything, we just look at it, 45. So that's 45. This is 90. So 2, this would be 2 as well. And this would be 2 square root of 2. Simple as that. And the area would be what? This times this, 4 divided by 2, which is the area would be 2. Now, if you have another right triangle, and let's just say this leg is 1. What are the other 2? So basically, looking at this one, this becomes 2, and this becomes root 3, or 1 times root 3. Okay, now another interesting scenario. Let's have a triangle with all legs equal, and let's call one leg 12. So all 3 legs are 12. 60, 60, 60 degrees, and all legs are 12. What's the area of this triangle? So basically, you just draw a line down. This becomes this one. So that's 2a, and this becomes a. So this leg would be half as long as this one. So this becomes 6, 6, 12. Or you could say it's just this leg divided by 2. And what becomes this one? So it would be 6 root 3. That's a root 3. So the area would be this leg, which is 6 root 3 times 6, whatever that comes to up to, divided by 2. That would be the area for this half of this triangle. But now we have 2 of these. So that times 2. So these 2 and these 2 will cancel out. 6 times 6 is 36 root 3. This would be the area of this triangle. Simple as that, without applying any equation or anything. Hope this helps out. See you in next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.